Blizzard Buddy was created with the hunter's needs in mind. With a thin-insulated thermal lining, ultra-quiet material, and convenient carrying harness, this suit allows hunters to spend more time in the woods later in the season. Blizzard Buddy zipper ports give you the freedom to use your arms while you're in your suit. Windproof, snowproof, and water resistant, Blizzard Buddy will keep you dry and warm. This patent pendant suit features a quiet zipper, allowing you to reach for your bow or firearm without scaring off your prey. Stay comfortable when it matters most. Stay warm, hunt late, Blizzard Buddy. For more information, visit blizzardbuddy.com.